24 degrees. Wind chill of 11. And there is some wind, let me tell you. It is cold.
There's ice on these buckets there.
Oh yeah. Ice everywhere. Wonder if they're frozen.
Nope.
Nope, good. Keeping them in here helped. Awesome.
Hi, ducks.
I need some food.
They want to open. It's weird, it's frozen on top, but it's still not frozen puddles.
Yeah.
I don't know if I've ever seen that before.
Pretty weird.
It's slush, man.
Got a lot of sleet.
Can you just scoop it off? Why, I filled it so small, so we can just scoop it off. Tall? Tall. You can't make them go out.
Well,
Usually they run out.
the soaked grain is out here, so they don't want to go out there. I don't blame them. They get cold feet.
Yeah, I had one of them out there, but I'm going to have it. The solar panels first, ice storm.
Yeah. They got a little ice on them, I saw.
We're going to have to it's stuck on. I can't turn it off.
Can't put it off. I think we got enough clothes on that clothes about it. Alright. These crazy birds do not want to come out. I don't blame them at all. Hey guys. Wow. Get you some water.
I know what that's called, right?
The alumna stomp.
Stop.
What did chickens say this morning?
We say, turn off the cool bot and fix the leak. We're gonna cruise it.
Girls, you're fine.
Oh, okay. We love you.
Love you too.